Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today I'm bringing you a super easy, beginner-friendly Walgreens couponing, digital-only couponing that anyone can do, I promise you. So easy, only involves one digital coupon and a ton of free stuff. All you gotta pay for it on the second purchase is your taxes, and that's it. But let's get started and let me show you what all you can get too. So this week, Walgreens has a ton of great deals, a ton of them. We're going to focus in on this one so you could get all of this stuff for free that you see here, all those food products for totally free. You just have to pay your sales tax on it. I think I ended up paying about 20 cents for that. So I'm going to show you how you're going to do the same thing also, just by purchasing these Colgates at a very reasonable price. They're going to give you back a paper register reward, or paper money is pretty much what it is, that the register will print out for you automatically as soon as you purchase these two. But what you're going to do is you're going to grab two of the Colgates. I ended up grabbing the Total Whole Mouth Health, and it is select ounces. I ended up picking the 5.1 ounce. Make sure you always grab your weekly ad just to verify which ones are considered for the sale, because my store was not marked, and I'm assuming a lot of you guys' stores will also not be marked. So just to verify, grab that weekly ad, and I ended up grabbing two of those. And when you grab two of them this week, they are on sale for $3.99 instead of their original $4.99 or more. So grab those two, and there's also a $1 off digital coupon. Guys, this is the only coupon you're going to use for that. This is the only one. So just that $1 off digital coupon for two Colgates when you buy two of them. And you just clip that to your free Walgreens mobile app. It's totally free. You just have to sign up and clip the coupons that you like. And that's the one that we clip. And when you go ahead and take these to the register as its own purchase, you're going to end up paying $6.98. So you see there are the two Colgates at $3.99. Ended up coming out for the two of them $7.98. But that highlighted part, that's that $1 off digital coupon. My subtotal was $6.98 before taxes. Florida state tax was 52 cents. I actually redeemed $2 that I had saved for Walgreens, so mine came out a little bit cheaper. But if you don't have those points, you'll end up paying $6.98. And automatically that paper form or register reward will print from the register, and you're going to turn around and use it towards anything you want. Most of the things that aren't covered are like cigarettes, alcohol, prescriptions, things like that are not covered. So then I ended up making it super easy for you guys. This week I turned around and made sure I grabbed everything that was like whole numbers. That way you could spend the even amount of $6. You can't spend $5.98 or $5.99 or less. It'd have to be $6.01, $6.02, $6 even, and so on. So you'd have to spend over the $6 or exactly $6 to be able to use that coupon. And that is, of course, before taxes. So I ended up using only whole number prices. So these Coca-Cola products are on sale this week. Buy three for $3. So when you grab three of them, they will be $3. So that's perfect. So I paid $1 in theory each for each one of those, but not technically because of that paper money that Walgreens just gave me. So check this out. And then the Campbell soup, perfect time for Thanksgiving. I like using these a lot I actually use them for chicken quarters. I have my own recipe for them. It's delicious. Actually, I'll put a link up at the top. It's a really good recipe. I think you guys will enjoy it. I love that recipe. I make it all the time. But I grabbed two of the Campbells. They're two for $2 this week. So far we're at $3 at the top, plus $2. We've already used $5 of that paper coupon or paper money. And then I grabbed two of the broths. I've actually not used broth very often. I usually just use the broth from like the chicken when I make chicken. But these were two for $1 this week. So I'm like, oh yeah, definitely worth a try. And again, with the holidays rolling by, I know I will find a purpose for them. So for two of those, it's $1 total, plus our $5, so $3 on the top, two here, and then one for two of these. That's $6. So I ended up just bringing it to the register, and I'll show you what it looked like. You see guys, and all I had to pay was the 20 cents. So here's the actual receipt just to prove it. So here it is. The sodas were $1 each. They were on sale when you buy three of them. And then there's also, oh, and I mixed and matched, so you could see that you can mix and match too. I think the Dr. Pepper was also included in that, and 7-Up. but I just mixed and matched so you guys could see that you can mix and match also. What else was it? The Campbell soup were $1 each as well, or 2 for 1 as they call it. And then of course, where is it? I don't know where it is on the receipt, it's hard to see through a camera, but those two were 2 for $1, the broth. So she has to enter it manually, so just remember that, don't freak out. The cashier does enter that paper money or register reward as she has to enter it manually, or he, I don't know if you have a boy or girl, but it was a $6 off manufacturer, there it is. So my subtotal came out to $0, and I just had to pay the difference of 20 cents. And I'm pretty sure if you have like EBT or SNAP, I don't know if it would cover the taxes. So keep that in mind too. Remember, some Walgreens stores accept EBT and SNAP. So you could get food products also there. So no worries there. Guys, so this is awesome. I pretty much got 9 products for $6.98 plus the taxes. That's like paying 77 cents per item. How fantastic is that? And this is super easy couponing. Whether you're new to this or not, this will be so easy for you all. And there are different coupons and different sales that you could use this week. But if you're new and not trying to be overloaded, go ahead and get this done. Get your feet wet, take a little feel for it. The Crest was also on sale, just like the Colgate was, so check that out, and they give you those register rewards as well. So if you have a bigger purchase to get, you could get both of them and use those $5 and $6 back towards anything you want in the store, with select things not accepted. And yeah, the paper towels were on sale. The detergents, the Arm & Hammers, those were $6.99, buy one get 2 free. I know, so you're paying about $2 and change for each one of those. They had a lot of deals, a lot of different sales, so make sure you check that out and save you that money. That's the most important part. That's what we're trying to do here. We're trying to save you money, save your family money, and in that way you're just making yourself a little bit happier, much happier in life, and just save your money for what really matters in life, which is, you know, enjoying your life and having fun with your family, or just not stressing about things that you need to get at such a high price. So especially with the holidays coming, I know a lot of us might be kind of tight, especially if you have kids or if you like giving away a lot during the holidays. Money will be spent, so save your pocket as much burden as you possibly can. I hope you guys all the best for the holidays, for the season. It's like upon us, we're almost there. The girl's birthday is coming up. As you guys know, we have twin girls. They're going to be 5 years old this year. I don't know how that happened, but it did. It's happening, it's coming. So that's something that's going to be super fun. I'm gonna try to record as much of it as possible. But yeah, guys, if you're new here, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe down below. Turn on your notification bell because we upload new videos every Tuesday and Thursday at 3 p.m. plus bonus videos, so make sure that notification bell is turned on. Check out some of our other videos, whether it's food videos or finding deals or couponing or shopping. We make a ton of videos, so check them out. As always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to stay happy, stay safe, and enjoy the rest of your day, because after all, it's no one else's and it's uniquely yours. Bye, guys.